Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this backpack. So it's got an anti-theft option, so I'm excited to check it out. So check it out, guys. It comes with its own lock, which is pretty sick. That is awesome. So this is the backpack. I'm actually really digging this backpack. I love the black with a little bit of red from here and there. So let's check out each pocket. All right, pocket number one. So it is deep dish, therefore, what that means is it does go to the bottom. So let's check out pocket number two. All right, pocket number two does go to the bottom. It's rocking RFID blocking. So if you guys are not familiar with that, basically it will help protect your credit cards and any personal information from hackers using Wi-Fi or from hackers using different signals to try and steal your cards. By the way, over here on the side, you have a port for a USB and also for headphones. We'll get to that in a moment. So if you go ahead and you have a device in here, you can run the cables right out through there. Pretty awesome, my friends. And of course, we got the main master pocket, and that master pocket is deep. So we're talking, you can fit your laptop, tablets in here. You got a special pocket in here. So yeah, you can put a lot of stuff in there. All right, guys, so on the side here, you got a pocket. On the side here, you got a pocket. On the back, it's nice and breathable mesh. Therefore, it will help keep your back from sweating up a storm. Adjustable straps, carrying strap. Overall, guys, pretty awesome. It's a great backpack. I think I'm going to be using this for when I travel. Man, absolutely love the style. And of course, we cannot forget that they already provide you with a USB port. And you can actually plug stuff in. So you can put a power bank inside here, plug it in, and then you can plug your any device right from this port. Pretty awesome. Just like you can take this big power bank, slap it in here, plug a port in there, and you're good to go, man.